Well, hello and welcome back to our channel. This is the first video that we are trying to do in English instead of Portuguese language. Why? Because I think that we can reach more people watching our videos if we talk a more common language in the world. So come with us, let's see one new project of car audio we built, and this is the new Toyota GR Yaris. So this is a new project, car audio project we built based on the Toyota, as you can see on the images, and we used the Focal Performance Flex Evo line. What we did, quite simple, we didn't change much in the car, and because it is an exotic car, we didn't want to change everything and do a custom build, no. Instead, what we did was we dampened the entire car, as you can see on the images, with CTK, Focal BAM, XXL, and also we did fabricate the supports for the speakers, and we installed the speakers. We made amplification different for each speaker. This amplifier is going to power the Focal woofer and the Focal tweeter separately. As you can see, we built a custom speaker pod for the tweeter. Connected to the Up 6 DSP, there is another amplifier. This is the Match Up 1 FX, and this one is just used for the subwoofer. And man, what a subwoofer! The subwoofer needed an enclosure. The enclosure is beyond the difficulty of playing the Tetris game, as you saw previously on our channel. So what we did, and you can see in images, we built an enclosure that is made of small pieces of wood connected together so that we can have the layers, 3 or 4 layers, I don't remember quite well, 3 or 4 layers of wood that go, and in the end they are the subwoofer enclosure, as you can see in the images passing in background. In the end, the customer didn't want a beauty panel, he just wanted something quite simple using the exact bottom of his trunk. So what we did is really what the car is, OEM. As you can see, we have, this is just to be here, okay? This is something that Toyota invented, but in the end what we have an enclosure that mimics the foams this car had for tooling and whatever. And also we kept the battery in place because, as I told you, this is an exotic and it's not supposed to modify in an irreversible manner the way you install the car audio system. In the end, all I have to do is show you the image and show you how it was implemented on the car. I think you will like it, and that's it. Stay tuned. If you did enjoy this video, please thumbs up, press the like button, and please share it with your friends or whatever, so that we can continue and be more present on these websites and all Facebooks and YouTubes and whatever. And that's it. See you next time.